Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of constantly losing your remote control? Look no further than the replacement remote control only for Roku TV by Acoyer, the ultimate solution to your streaming needs. This amazing product is a game changer, with HD quality and smart tech that makes streaming a breeze. With its stream-ready design, you can get to your favorite shows and movies in no time. But what really sets it apart is the warranty, giving you peace of mind and protecting your investment. You'll love the fact that it comes with 2 remotes, so you'll always have a backup, and the infrared technology means no pairing or programming is needed, just insert the batteries and you're good to go. The shortcut buttons are a genius feature, allowing you to quickly access your favorite apps, and with 4 shortcuts to choose from, you'll be navigating like a pro in no time. The precise control and long range of up to 10 meters means you can relax on the couch and still be in control. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so popular. The build quality is solid, the buttons have a nice tactile feel, and the sound of the buttons clicking is satisfying. In real life, this means you can use it to stream your favorite shows, play games, or browse the web, all from the comfort of your own home. The Acoyer remote is also built to last, with a lifespan of over 160,000 clicks, so you don't have to worry about it wearing out anytime soon. And with the unlimited return and refund service, you can buy with confidence. Whether you're a casual streamer or a hardcore gamer, this remote has got you covered. So why settle for a flimsy, cheaply made remote when you can have a high-quality, reliable one that will make your streaming experience better than ever? Get your hands on the replacement remote control only for Roku TV by Acoyer today and take. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.